Did you know that the brother of America's most wanted terrorist is the reason he got caught? In September 1995, David Kaczynski was reading the newspaper when he saw something that made his blood run cold. The Unabomber Manifesto had just been published, and every word felt familiar. The writing style, the ideas, even the phrases. It all sounded exactly like his brother Ted. For 17 years, Ted had been sending bombs through the mail to universities and airlines. 3 people were dead. 23 were injured. The FBI had no clue who was doing it. David faced an impossible choice. Turn in his own brother or let more people die. While David struggled with his decision, Ted was in his tiny cabin in Montana, building another bomb. His journals were filled with detailed plans. His typewriter sat ready for the next manifesto. On April 3, 1996, FBI agents surrounded the cabin. Inside, they found everything. Bomb materials, journals, and a completed bomb ready to mail. The Harvard genius had finally been caught, thanks to a brother's courage.